Welcome to today's new full day of eating at 6.5 weeks out from my first natural bodybuilding show. For those who know me, you know that I like my mornings calm, silent, no words, so that is why I also want to show the reality of my mornings in the videos. I already showed you the macros for meal number 1, but let me tell you exactly what was in it. So I had 2 whole eggs, then 250 milligrams of egg whites. That was my egg omelet. And then I had around 90 grams of darker sourdough bread, pretty low calorie, pretty low fat. So yeah, this is a new thing from the last full day of eating. I just added this sourdough bread, one, because I really like it when I toast it. Second of all, as you saw, there were no oats. That is why, because I moved the oats to, as you'll see, meal number 2. So yeah, the sourdough bread is a really good source of carbohydrates. As I said, low fat. So 90 grams of it. Then I had the morning drink with the magnesium and vitamin C, all of my supplements. So yeah, we're getting really close to the show, guys. Calories are pretty low, so today's full day of eating will be at around 2,100 calories. In the last couple of months, I started eating not by calories but by macros, which is mostly correlated with calories, but sometimes there are some differences. So my macros, exact macros that I have to hit for today, which is a training day, are 220 grams of protein, then 40 grams of fats, and on training days I have only 220 grams of carbs. And then on my rest days, it's a little bit different. So on the rest days, I eat a little bit less protein, so 200 grams of protein. The fats stay absolutely the same at 40 grams. And then the carbs drop to 135. That comes around 1,700 calories on rest days. So that's the update. That's the current state of my nutrition. Tomorrow we decided, so in the next few days, we decided to do a double high day. So we are testing when my body weight needs to be shaken. We have a lot of room to do these refeeds because I am flat. I've been in prep for 27 weeks now, so I'm pretty flat, I'm pretty depleted. So these refeeds are always positive. And in the next 2 days, we're gonna do, for the first time, a double high day. just to see how my body reacts. The first day we're gonna do 450 grams of carbs, and then on the second day we'll determine how many carbs to do depending on the morning look. So these are just testings to see how my body reacts to carbs, for them to have a lot of data, a lot of information on how to do the peak week protocol as optimally as possible. Today's body weight was 76 kilograms. The lowest body weight in the last couple of days was 75.6. So we're basically there on the low weight. We want to get rid of, let's say, 2 more kilograms in the next 6.5 weeks. And then I think the conditioning will really be at a high level for a natural bodybuilder. I've talked about this on my story on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, absolutely do. I really surprised myself in this prep, guys. I really shocked myself with what frame I have. I proved a lot to myself that I always thought I had bad genetics because of my waist. I thought my waist was big. Of course, it's not the tiniest of waist, but my waist is not a problem. The problem was I didn't have upper body muscles. I didn't have a big back, large shoulders and everything, so my waist looked big. But right now that I added a lot of muscle in the last 3 years, you know, when I pose, the X frame really comes out, and I can only imagine how small my waist will also look in the future when I'll be adding more and more muscle mass. I really fell in love with this process of bodybuilding, of prepping. I love it. And yeah, time will tell. What can I update you guys on? Yeah, so the daily steps are still on 13,000 a day. I am becoming pretty draggy, you know, the leg fatigue, also only on steps without cardio. In the days, especially in the days after the leg days, the performance on the workouts is high level, top tier. I haven't had like one bad session. It's just really good sessions. As I said in the last video, I've kept most of my strength, so I really destroyed myself on the workouts. And yet today, as I said, it's a training day, so the oats, which are my pre-workout meal. And for the start of this video, guys, please, I'm asking you, this video, we need to hit 150 likes. It's not that much. Help me get to 150 likes. So go down below right now, leave a like. Please support these videos, support this series, because it really means a lot, and this prep is really important. Okay guys, pre-training routine, pre-workout meal, a little bit of YouTube today. We're watching Daddy C-Bum before my workout. I'll eat this meal. As you saw, I mean, it's a small meal, only 40 grams of oats and 100 of fruit. So it digests like this. So I'll be ready for the gym in like 30 minutes. So let me prepare my pre and intra workout, and then guys, I'll see you at the gym for today's push workout. Okay guys, just got to the gym today, even though it's a full day of eating. What video would it be without a workout in the video? So I'm not gonna be talking a lot in today's workout.
Spin me round and then let me down again. Leaving out the door you came. Oh no.
Okay people, I am cooking my next meal, but I just understood that I forgot to talk in the post-workout meal. Yeah, post-workout I really have zero energies and I actually forgot to say. So my post-workout meal was 65 grams of cereal, then 8 grams of glutamine, around 50 grams of rice protein and 100 grams of strawberries. So on these calories, guys, as you saw in the oats, in the shake, there are no bananas, so I really have to choose which carbs I use. And yeah, I choose those that give me as much volume as possible. And right now, as you saw, I'm preparing meal number 5, which is 170 grams of chicken breast and 30 grams of basmati rice. After this meal, I will go on my second walk of the day. So I've already collected 10,400 steps. That was, you know, with the first walk of the day, with my normal moving through the house and through the workout through the gym. So now I only have 2,600 left, which is an easy and pretty short 30-minute walk. And I'll be doing that after this meal. So see you at meal number 6. So see you at the last meal of today's full day of eating, together with the evening supplements. Okay guys, it's 8:30 p.m. Time for the last meal. Let me show you. Right here, guys, we have the last meal. It looks really sad. We have 160 grams of beef and 130 grams of mixed veggies. So yeah, pretty simple. Right now I'm watching also Visser's and his full day of eating. So filming a full day of eating and watching a full day of eating. So yeah, check him out. He's a really good bodybuilding figure to follow. Guys, as I said, my evening supplements. So first of all, we have ashwagandha, then L-theanine, magnesium chelate, the glycinate, and the melatonin. All of them, of course, all of the supplements I use today, guys, from my sponsor Jim Beam, and don't forget to use code MAX5. So yeah guys, no direct source of carbs in the last meal. Right here we have the calories and macros for this meal, and then right here we have the calories and macros for the full day of eating. Probably we will need to do maybe 1 or 2 more changes. I think more than 2 changes in nutrition won't happen. We'll maybe touch the steps a little bit, but right now we're already pretty much there with the conditioning. We just need to fill up the body with the carbs when there is an opportunity to do so, and to lower fatigue as much as possible. Also, with last week, the For My Future sales ended, so thank you to everyone who supported the drop, and be sure to join the waitlist because the next drop is already in October and it's gonna be fire. Also with Leo, we have 2 more spots, guys, for the online coaching before we raise our prices. As you know, September is always busy with the online coaching. So if you're interested, absolutely apply through the application form below. In this video, guys, I really need you to show me the support. I really need it right now. I'm 6 weeks out, so do your thing. Make this video blow up. So leave a comment right now, leave a like. After you're done watching the video, just put the phone there and click on the video another time so it gets more watch time, more views. Help me really push these videos, help me push this last couple of weeks of prep, because I really need the support and I really appreciate it. So guys, this was my full day of eating at 6 weeks out from my first natural bodybuilding show. Hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one. Peace.